By 2025, Samsung will unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra, successor to one of the best Android phones available. But can it recapture the magic? 思考的脸. We've got the inside scoop on the Galaxy S25 Ultra's crucial features. Sparkle's strong titanium body for added durability. Sparkle's Corning's glare-free glass for enhanced ruggedness. Sparkle's rounded edges for a fresh new look. Sparkle's integrated S Pen with IP68 water and dust resistance. But that's not all. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to boast Sparkle's a large 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display. Sparkle's Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 CPU. Sparkle's improved camera capabilities with a 1/200 megapixels ISOCELL image sensor. Sparkle's enhanced AI-powered photography and videography features. Display, a stunning 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel with a silky smooth 1:120 Hz refresh rate and enhanced maximum brightness for better outdoor visibility. Performance, powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 CPU, delivering unparalleled performance and efficiency. Battery life, expect a boost in battery performance, but don't hold your breath for a significantly larger battery due to size constraints. Faster wired charging would be a dream come true, but 45-watt charging support is likely to make a comeback. Denchi. Price, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to follow in the footsteps of its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, with a starting price of $1,300 for the 256GB variant and $1,660 for the 1TB model. Tondeku okane. Mark your calendars for January or February 2025, when the Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to make its grand debut. Kalenda. And if that's not enough, AI is expected to play an even bigger role in mobile photography and videography this year. Samsung is going all in on artificial intelligence and machine learning to improve its top-tier camera phone. This means we can expect Sparkle's better low-light performance. Sparkle's improved image stabilization. Sparkle's enhanced portrait capturing capabilities. Sparkle's possibly even 100x space zoom. But wait, there's more. The Galaxy S25 Ultra might also be the first phone to use Samsung's UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, which could double the storage speed of most phones. This could significantly improve performance and enhance the overall Galaxy experience. Stay tuned for more updates on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. ズーン矢印